Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the high contrast mode for accessibility on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our Pilot. It's located right here. And now move up to the settings and press OK. From here go to the right and find System. Now press the down key in order to find accessibility. After it's being highlighted like that, press OK, and from here you're able to change the high contrast by moving to the right or left. So let's move to the right, and it will change to the white text, yellow text, or just normal off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.